Hey everyone, welcome back to Luxury Drive USA, where we get behind the wheel of the finest premium rides on the planet. Today we've got something special. Cadillac's bold all-electric 3-row luxury SUV, the 2026 Vistiq. Massive power, serious tech, and that unmistakable Cadillac presence. Is this the EV that finally makes family hauling feel truly luxurious? We've got the keys, so let's dive in. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's roll. Exterior Walkaround. First look at this thing. It commands attention. Up front, you've got Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting and that illuminated black crystal shield grille. The welcome lighting choreography. Straight up theater every single time you walk up. Side view is pure muscle. Longer wheelbase than the old XT6, with available 23-inch wheels that absolutely fill the arches. That flowing roofline into the unique D-pillar gives it a modern, almost coupe-like stance for an SUV this size. Around back, clean full-width LED taillights, no fake exhaust tips because it's all electric, baby. Overall, the Vistiq looks sharp, sophisticated, and proudly American. It turns heads without screaming for attention. Step inside and welcome to Luxury Central. Dominating the dash is this massive curved 33-inch LED display running Google built-in, navigation, apps. Everything feels seamless and lightning fast. Materials are top tier. Soft leathers everywhere, open-pore wood or black ash trim options, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. Front seats? Heated, ventilated, and massaging. You'll never want to get out. Second row offers either a bench for 7 passengers or captain's chairs for 6 with extra comfort and slide/recline. Third row is legitimately adult-friendly, good headroom and legroom for a change. Cargo. 15 cubic feet behind the third row, expanding to a massive 80 with everything folded flat. Audio comes from a 23-speaker AKG system with Dolby Atmos. It sounds unreal. Add an available Super Cruise hands-free driving, night vision, and augmented reality head-up display. This cabin is a rolling executive lounge, ultra-quiet and seriously refined. Driving impressions and performance. Now the part we've all been waiting for, how it drives. Dual electric motors, all-wheel drive, 615 horsepower, and 650 lb-ft of instant torque. 0 to 60 in Velocity Max mode? Cadillac claims 3.7 seconds. And trust me, it feels every bit that explosive. Silent, seamless thrust that pins you back. It's seriously addictive. Ride quality is plush yet controlled thanks to the adaptive suspension and continuous damping. It handles twisty roads with surprising agility for its size, especially with the optional active rear steering. Reg and braking is smooth. One-pedal driving works great in town. On the highway, its Tomb Silent and Super Cruise lets you cover miles effortlessly. Real-world range from the 102 kilowatt-hour battery is coming in around 280 to 290 miles in mixed driving. EPA says 305, so pretty solid for a big 3-row EV. DC fast charging adds roughly 80 miles in 10 minutes. Pricing, trims, and competition. Base luxury trim starts at $78,790, climbing to around $96,000 fully loaded in platinum. That puts it right up against the Rivian R1S, Lucid Gravity, and Tesla Model X, but with a more traditional luxury feel. Pros: insane performance, stunning interior, practical seating and cargo, 5,000-pound towing capability. Cons: range isn't the absolute longest in class. Max charge speed tops out at 190 kilowatts, and loaded examples get expensive quick. Final thoughts and verdict. Bottom line, if you're looking for a luxury electric SUV that can haul the whole family in serious style and comfort without any compromise, the 2026 Cadillac Vistiq needs to be on your short list. It combines bold American design with cutting-edge EV tech and just feels special every time you get behind the wheel. I'd score it a strong 9 out of 10. Cadillac is absolutely killing it right now. So what do you think? Would you go all-electric with the Vistiq? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more premium drives, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for riding with Luxury Drive USA. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.